Are you looking for the best belt disc sander in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best belt disc sander that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WORX 6502 belt and disc sander. Professional and indefatigable are the two words that best describe this belt disc sander. It is a powerful and versatile power tool that will sand, smooth, and remove every jagged edge on your wood, giving it a professional-looking smooth finish. The sander is powered by a 4.3 amp half HP motor, which is powerful enough even for tough sanding tasks. Also, the sander is one of the longest models in our list, so you can rest assured it will comfortably handle even long planks of wood. Another unique feature we found with this belt disc sander is that it tilts between 0 and 90 degrees. This offers different beveling positioning options based on the sanding project at hand. To make sanding tasks easy and guarantee top-notch results, the sander is designed using a heavy-duty cast iron base. The heavy construction helps to reduce vibrations and wobbling so that the sander stays in one position when sanding, to make your woodwork finishing look impressive. Wen knew that professionals need to get it right on numbers. Therefore, they designed the table of this sander with a miter gauge so that you can get the guesswork out of your work. Up next in the 4th place is the WORX CBD 4600 belt disc sander. This WORX CBD 4600 belt disc sander is awesome in every sense. From its state-of-the-art features to controls, this sander has everything that one would want. Although its a 3rd HP motor makes some people refer to it less powerful, we found it pretty okay for heavy-duty sanding tasks. The sander comes with a heavy-duty and belt disc combination for handling tough sanding tasks. With its 4x36 inches sanding belt and 6 inches sanding disc, you can handle pretty huge blocks of wood. Further, the belt tilts between 0 and 90 degrees so that you can use the sander for diverse projects. To give you greater control, the sander comes with a heavy-duty 6-1 divided by 2x 8-3 divided by 4 inches cast aluminum table that offers exceptional work support. The miter gauge is also heavy and helps to prevent wobbling, walking, and noise. Using this sander, you do not have to worry about the dust generated by the machine. It utilizes a 2¼ dust port that sucks away all the particulates away to guarantee you a mess-free working environment. The 3rd product on our list is the WORX 6515 T1 X30N belt sander for woodworkers or DIY enthusiasts who want to get high-performance belt disc sander without paying a lot of money. One of the best options is the WORX 6515. It is a lightweight and compact model that makes storage and carrying to a working site easily. The belt disc sander comes with a 2.3 amp motor that generates splendid speed of up to 3,160 feet per minute on the belt and 3,450 RPM on the disc. This gives you the capacity to sand anything you want, from tough grains to joints. When designing this table, Went wanted to help woodworkers to feel completely in control. To achieve this, they used a number of features, including a miter gauge for enhanced precision and beveling table that allows sanding angled workpieces. Like other top wind belt disc sanders, this model comes with 2 dust ports that efficiently sucks most of the dust. The 2 ports work with 1-1 divided by 2 inches or 2 inches dust hoses, and you can connect with a vacuum cleaner for more efficient dust evacuation. Second on our list is the Jet JS G6DCK 6x48 belt and 12 disc sander. Jet 708,599 Kelvin is a serious belt disc sander designed to handle heavy-duty sanding discs. With its powerful and improved 1-1 divided by 2 HP single-phase motor clocking a maximum of 2,500 SFPM, this sander will smooth even the tough wood like cheese. One of the main selling points of this belt disc sander is the unique adjustment system that makes it easy for you to sand every type of project, from curved to straight section. The disc table tilts down 45 degrees and up 25 degrees, allowing you to make bevel cuts. The belt table also tilts, making it possible to sand at 45 degrees. At 243 pounds, this belt disc sander is the heaviest in this list. It is designed with 2 heavy cast iron tables that make it firm when working on sanding projects. Also, the heavy construction was used to reduce vibrations, especially when working on tough projects. Finally, the top product on our list is the Rikon Power Tools 50-151 belt. If your work involves small craft projects such as toys, doll furniture, and home decor, you need a highly efficient and not necessarily high-powered sander. Rikon thought about you too and designed this Rikon Power Tools 50 minutes 151 belt with 5 inches disc sander. The sander uses a 2.3 amp motor to power its 1-inch x 30 inches belt and 5 inches disc sander, which we found adequate for most home projects. But you can use it for light to medium duty sanding tasks in your workshop. This belt disc sander is also very light and easy to move around to your working site. Although it weighs only 18 pounds, its construction is robust to give you a firm working station. The base is especially heavy to reduce vibrations and wobbling. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.